Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can change your voice on Discord. So I like to use voice mod. You can use Clownfish as well. I'm just going to select this one and then I actually can't hear myself, but I'm just going to try to listen to myself here in the user settings section. So I'm just gonna go to voice and video, and here I'm just going to test my mic. Hopefully you can hear it. Hello. Oh, I still sound the same. Oh, I haven't changed the. There we
There
go.
we go.
Okay.
Okay.
Make sure
Make sure
you
you
change
change
your
your
microphone
microphone
first.
first.
Let me just stop testing because that was annoying. Don't forget to do that, but that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.